Alright guys, 97 Jeep Grand Cherokee 4.0. Remember that belt? We're gonna change that belt. What we're gonna do is we're gonna release the tension on this. The tensioner is that second pulley down there. First we're gonna release the bolt on the idle pulley. That's the tensioner pulley. You just have to loosen a couple of threads on that. Now we can turn that number 15 bolt to there, and that will loosen up the belt. As he's doing that, we're gonna see that pulley is gonna drop a little bit. That will release the tension on the belt. Let's see if the belt is loose enough. So there you go. The belt has a slack now. It can come right off. There you go, the belt is out. You also want to make sure these little pieces, they're out of the way so they don't damage the new belt. So you can see this belt is damaged, not in one place but all over, all around. It's missing one of the lips. To do this belt, we're going to drop the belt and try to get that belt over the crank pulley first. Once you have it on a crank, you're going to get it over that water pump, through that little pulley on the other end, over the AC. Alright, to put this belt on, you have to use this diagram. You can find it on the Jeep itself. It's right on the left side of the shroud of the fan. And to put this belt on, you have to first put on the crank pulley, back up to this tensioner pulley. It goes around the power steering pump, over and under the idle pulley here. Then it comes back around on the AC compressor, down on the alternator, and it twists back down over the water pump and down to the crank pulley. And now we're ready to tighten the belt. All you do is reverse the procedure. You tighten that bolt. It's gonna pull this tensioner pulley up. You're gonna see that tensioner pulley go up slowly. You can feel the tightness in the belt. If you try to twist it, it's not gonna twist. It should be like only half a turn. And then you take the bolt middle of the pulley, the tensioner pulley. Make sure you tighten that to lock the tension in place. And that's it, you're done. After that, make sure all the routing is correct. The belt is nice and smooth on each pulley, especially on the crank. And that's it. That's how you do a belt on a 97 Jeep Grand Cherokee.